Dr. A. Raghu. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. A very realistic phrase to explain Dr. A. Raghu, Associate Professor at TKM College of Arts and Science in the Department of English. A university rank holder in pre-degree, degree and post-graduation, Dr. Raghu is the youngest person to secure PhD from the University of Kerala. An eminent writer and author of 6 books, including 2 poetry collections, with the latest being the autobiography of Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer titled Duty, Destiny and Glory. With 30 years of academic service at TKM College of Arts and Science, we are deeply honored to welcome our own Raghu Sir to Illuminate 2K18.
I would like to open my words by paying homage to our beloved founder, Marhoom Janab Nagal Khujamus Salayar, who is the ultimate cause for all of us gathering together here this evening in Sharjah. May his soul enjoy eternal bliss. Janab Shahal Hassan Misalayar, Honorable President, TKM College Trust. Janab Jamaluddin Misalayar, Honorable Member, TKM College Trust. Janab Khalid Musalayar, Honorable Member, TKM College Trust. Janab M. Haroon, Honorable Member, TKM College Trust. Chief Guest of the Day, the living legend of Malayalam cinema, Sri Anup Menon. Other representatives of the management, Dr. Ayub, Principal of the Engineering College, Office Bearers of the Alumni Association, Global Chapter, UAE Chapter, members of the Misalayar family, friends, and of course, my most beloved students. I was about to say former students, but I could not bring myself to say that because you are always my students. You were my students. You are my students. You were my students. You will always be my students. So once again, my most beloved students. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാമായ പ്രിയ വിദ്യാർത്ഥി. I stand here before you as a representative of the principal of TKM College of Arts and Science, but I also stand here before you in my personal capacity as your teacher, who always attempted to reach out to you, who always attempted to care for you, who always attempted to place your interests above his interests. But more importantly, I stand here as a representative of the principal of TKM College of Arts and Science, who I am happy to point out is one among you, is a former student of the Arts College. My principal, I am very happy to state, very proud to state, is also my student. This seemingly insignificant fact that the present head of the institution is a product of the institution speaks volumes of the history, of the tradition, of the culture, of the ethos of the Arts College. We value our students. We prize our students. Our students are our soul. A tree is known by its fruits. An educational institution is known by its products. And judging by what I see in front of me, TKM College of Arts and Science is a very great institution indeed. This is my first visit to Dubai or Sharjah or the UAE. In fact, this is my first visit abroad. I never had a taste for international travel. I'm ashamed to tell you this, but I have to tell you. I tell everything to my students. I'm ashamed to tell you that I never had a passport until a few days back. My passport arrived only 2 days back, and even now I am not sure whether my passport came first or my visa came first. Mubarak, which comes first? Visa. No, I think my flight ticket came first. The visa came second. The passport came last. This is a fact. This small fact throws brilliant light on the tremendous power, on the spectacular influence commanded by the 3 golden letters TKM. But now that I have come to Sharjah, I have come to Dubai, I have acquired a taste for international travel.
Wow!
I would love to visit the UAE every year.
Woo!
Mubarak, will you be inviting me next year?
We would love to have you here every year.
Thank you. Even if you don't invite me, I will come. I don't need an invitation to my own house. Sitting in my hotel room, I even wrote a short poem about Dubai. I know that you used to hate poetry when I used to teach it. But may I read my poem to you?
Please, please.
Don't worry, it's a short poem. Dubai. What dazzling sights. What unending nights. What a marvelous sky has the city of Dubai. The sands of Dubai, the sun of Dubai, the moon of Dubai, all say to me, hi.
That's short and very good.
If when you die, you are compelled to sigh, not having seen Dubai, it would be a tragedy high. So wherever you are, however far, you should immediately fly to Dubai, to Dubai, to Dubai. I have been studying the history of Dubai last 2 or 3 days, researching the etymology of the place named Dubai, and I understand that there's a saying in Arabic, Daba Dubai. They came with a lot of money, and that is how Dubai got its name. Dubai is where the money is. At least it is supposed to be. Nick, you don't have money. You ask the treasurer to give you money. Okay, you are the president, that's the problem. I have been learning Arabic, and I assure you that my speech at the next alumni function, UAE chapter, will be in Arabic.
We'll wait for that.
Thank you. For now, you should be satisfied with a couple of lines of Arabic. Urhibu Sharjah Katiran. I love Sharjah very much. Ana Ahab Sharjah. I love you, Sharjah. I love you, Sharjah. ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ ഒരു വൃക്ഷത്തിനെ വിലയിരുത്തുന്നത് അതിൻ്റെ കനിയുടെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ്, അതിൻ്റെ ഫലത്തിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ്. TKM കോളേജ് ഓഫ് ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസ് ഒരു മഹത്തായ സ്ഥാപനമാണ്. അതിന് അതിമനോഹരമായ ഒരു ക്യാമ്പസ് ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ അതല്ല പ്രധാന കാരണം. എല്ലാ ആധുനിക സൗകര്യങ്ങളുമുള്ള ഒരു ക്യാമ്പസാണ്. പക്ഷേ അതല്ല പ്രധാന കാരണം. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിൻ്റെ നാഷണൽ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ റാങ്കിംഗ് ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് TKM കോളേജ് ഓഫ് ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസിനെ ഇന്ത്യ മഹാരാജ്യത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട, ഏറ്റവും മികച്ച ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസ് കലാലയമായി, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏറ്റവും മികച്ച ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസ് കലാലയങ്ങളിൽ ഒന്നായി തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പക്ഷേ അതല്ല പ്രധാന കാരണം. TKM കോളേജ് ഓഫ് ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസ് ഒരു മികച്ച കലാലയമാണ്, മഹത്തായ കലാലയമാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ പ്രധാന കാരണം നിങ്ങളാണ്, അതിൻ്റെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളാണ്. ചിലതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇല്ലെങ്കിലും ഒരു കലാലയമായെന്ന് വരാം. പക്ഷേ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളില്ലെങ്കിൽ കലാലയം കലാലയമല്ല. വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളാണ് കലാലയത്തിൻ്റെ ആത്മാവ്. ഇത്രയും ഊർജ്ജസ്വലമായ പ്രവർത്തനം കാഴ്ചവെക്കുന്ന, ഇത്രയും ശക്തമായ, ഇത്രയും വിപുലമായ, ഇത്രയും ഉജ്ജ്വലമായ പ്രവർത്തനം കാഴ്ചവെക്കുന്ന ഒരു പൂർവ്വ വിദ്യാർത്ഥി സംഘടന വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും സ്ഥാപനത്തിലുണ്ടോ എന്നത് സംശയകരമാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ വരാനുള്ള, നിങ്ങളെ കാണാനുള്ള, നിങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കുവാനുള്ള അവസരം ഒരുക്കി തന്നതിന് നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. TKMCS പൂർവ്വ വിദ്യാർത്ഥി സംഘടനയ്ക്ക്, UAE ചാപ്റ്ററിന് എല്ലാ ഭാവുകങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. എൻ്റെ എല്ലാമായ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, സർവശക്തന്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ എന്നും എപ്പോഴും എവിടെയും ഉണ്ടാകുമാറാകട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you very much, sir.
This poem will do.
Sir,
I am capable of memorizing the poems of others,
Sir.
but I always forget my own poems.
sir,
So,
അല്ല ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ 90s പഠിച്ച സാർ കോളേജിൽ വന്ന സമയത്ത് പഠിച്ച ഒത്തിരി വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനികൾ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അവർക്ക് സാർ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഒരു പോയം 90s പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഒരു poem ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
എനിക്ക് ഓഫ് ഹാൻഡ് ആയിട്ട് കവിതയൊന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിപ്പിച്ച
അത് അപ്പോഴേ മറക്കും. ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളൊന്നും ഓർക്കാറില്ല, അവിടെ വന്ന് തുറന്നു വെച്ച് പഠിപ്പിക്കുക. അതും ഓർമ്മയില്ലല്ലോ എനിക്ക്. A group of dancing daffodils. It's about Wordsworth going for a walk. Actually, to be frank,
സാർ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന പോലെ വേണം, ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന പോലെ വേണം.
അതന്നെ. I am very relaxed in the classroom, unlike most teachers. The happiest moments of my life are spent in my classroom. I have no inhibitions, not even any attempt at exhibition, but I remain there and I am very honest. I tell them that there are some teachers who try to create the impression that they know everything. I say exactly the opposite. I know very little. There is a saying in Tamil, "Katra the kai alavu, kalatha the ulagalavu." So what you know is a very small quantity compared to what you should know or what is there to be learned. That is one thing. Second thing is, to be honest, again, I don't know whether I should say this in the presence of the honorable chairman and the honorable members of the trust. I am not a teacher who prepares very hard for the classes. I hope they are not listening properly. But I believe that you should not prepare. Your life should be the preparation. And too much of preparation makes the class artificial. It should be spontaneous. So that is it. And so that is the reason why if I am suddenly asked to teach a poem without the poem in front of me, I find it difficult. Again, Daffodils, it's a short poem. It's a masterpiece of Wordsworth. It's a typical Wordsworthian poem. It expresses the joy that Wordsworth felt when he saw a group of dancing daffodils. Very simple incident. We walk along, we see daffodils, we don't recognize them. But Wordsworth was a sensitive lover of nature, and so he noticed the daffodils, and then he says in the poem that whenever he is at home, whenever he is in a relaxed mood, whenever he looks back, the daffodils start dancing once again in his mind. That is his concept of literature. That is his concept of poetry. So that will do, I think.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. The more I stand here, the more I will run into danger.
I know.
So I think I better quit this place. So thank you very much for the very loving response, reaction you have given me. This is one of the happiest days of my life, no doubt about it. The happiest moments of my life are spent in the company of my students, and in one of my books I have written a dedication dedicated to my students from whom I have received more love than from anywhere else in the world. These are words which come from my heart. So thank you very much
Sir,
and all the best.
I request you to please stay back to head over the momentum.
Okay.
And you guys, you're so lucky to have a teacher like him, and you are incredible. You're so awesome, and I feel so happy that I met you tonight. And thank you for coming here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And you remember what he said, students are the soul. The students are our soul. So you should be very, very lucky to be part of TKM College, and today you're representing that. I feel proud of you all, guys. All right.